Alright devs, let's cut the fluff. If you're still coding like it's 2015, manually writing every loop, fighting with dogs, and debugging like a caveman, you're doing it wrong. Here are 5 AI tools that can speed up your workflow, make you more productive, and maybe even save your sanity, so let's go. So first one on the list is GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. This one's obvious, but if you're not using Copilot yet, what are you even doing? It writes boilerplate, suggests functions, and helps you avoid Stack Overflow rabbit holes at 2 AM. Not perfect, but when it's good, it's scary good. It's like autocomplete on steroids, and it also learns from your coding style. Second on the list is none other than ChatGPT or Claude. So if you need help understanding a weird bug, or you need a quick code snippet or a regex that doesn't ruin your life, you just prompt it. ChatGPT or Claude, if you're fancy, is basically your on-demand senior dev who never sleeps. The trick? Ask smart questions. The better your prompt, the better your solution. Third on the list is Cursor. Imagine VS Code but with AI built in. Cursor lets you ask questions in your editor, explain code, refactor stuff, or generate chunks without switching tabs 400 times. You're coding and learning at the same time. It's great for staying in flow, which, let's be honest, we break every time we Google something. Fourth on our list is Codium, the free alternative to Copilot basically. If you want the Copilot vibes without paying for it, well, Codium is your go-to. It does code completion, supports tons of languages, and plugs right into your editor. It's not as polished as Copilot, but it's fast, improving constantly, and 100% free. Budget devs, you're welcome. And the fifth on our list is Tab 9, the predictive AI for clean code. Tab 9 is all about context-aware code suggestions, and it does it well. Great for teams, it helps keep code consistent across projects, and unlike some tools, it doesn't just guess, it learns patterns. Also works offline, so you can still be productive on the plane with no Wi-Fi. So don't worry, AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to take your bugs, your burnout, and your late night stack traces. So stop resisting it and start using it.